too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great kankamukashos ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you'll get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
For me, my Obibia Aqua Bashronco, and the Batuma GH, and then so a Wunia Bar, Mosso for Messi Counter, and somewhat as circulating what my moon about from the tea for your name say. A year 2020, the somewhat Koswan Kassam, as I said. 2020 na coronavirus eba ye achesesa edinwe agi nickname COVID-19 be pie mu ewo wiase afane nyina ma chese be bibia njuma ene eye anamoto bebre eye stagnant na enum no eye country bebre eko lockdown na Ghana so ka wona akoye Ghana an African country no eko ba say yenya eye fans bebre afi eye amaya wo de na omo pray support ema eye countries bi no na Ghana so enya that kind of fan bi na etie for ni nechi eko ba say eye amonyokuo NDC abatu yi call e wie ye na isi be declare eye MPP amanyokuo ni say wo mo no mafa eye akonya ni say wo mo be di o man Ghana so no amanyokuo NDC de wo mo kumantom ye mo na che say dani dan na ne wo mo twen ene eye amanyoko MPP for na etie for ye kase yin so ende se woni ni asaba beto dwane se eye minority leader na Mr. Aruna Idrusu ena wasa vao na ne vao ni na ne se wo purchase eye amanyoko MPP no so mo be chense mu Amube papa nyome bi na Ghana for ehu se nya kwase na omu Ghanaians and I say omu take yetimemufo for granted ye no wo susu se eye fund that ye de ma eye NPP amanokuo se won fa enchicha wo hu wo emre a chese na arewo se coronavirus abepie mu won fa ema wona wo hie bi wona chese omo chire wo no eye papa Aruna Idrusu say sasi kan enya ade a MPP for e de ye ne so mo ye nemo wo mo keep eye sasi carry now for eye campaigns for all this election na wo gusu chire mo say eye amanyoko MPP for no sika na wo mo chiche fa e de matimemufo indirectly the bribe wo mo say ne aba no wo mo beto e de ama o na sasi kan de wo no de wo be make sure say amanyoko MPP for ne be kira ase no mo wo ne poma sibre wo be twe na basa ne stressa ne tiefo ma me fa ye papa yin sem tu dwase ne a wo de ne sem no etu jan pepepe fa etumo the minority leader of parliament Mr. Aruna Idrusu has vowed that the quest to ensure accountability and transparency will lead to an investigation on how funds secured by government for the fight against COVID-19 were used. According to him, it was obvious that the COVID-19 monies set aside to protect lives and public health were not used for the purpose intended, but rather for political campaign activities by the ruling party. Therefore, send Yamidi Kankan, Nasaya, na was walking in some more patch, say, a yesika pudro. Ye kukuruma eye MPP amanokuo se aka wo mujuma die ne se won fan support eye mre mu yedin COVID-19 mre mu no won fan ye adwuma sa che se sika no ebi fifa corners ebi fifa ghettos che se dudu na so campaign na ye de ye na nu nti no ono de obe make sure se sa botaye ni de obomo dia hwemwe tuwa na mo se hifa na sika no ye de fire na etie for say na what to aso I will be investigating convict and the money they spend on election instead of spending it on convict to protect lives and public health. He said, he made those comments. State of nation address, for yen to us here. Was that to us who said, there be one of the baby or Jana with Janasi dear. And did you may say it? Now saying our can't be. They didn't spend their COVID money on public health. They were dishing it around and sharing it to men and women across the country to get votes. The minority leader explained that for send big kind of such as committee. Chair for campaign. Send your beya say Obenya favor in the sight of a year Ghanaians to Memufuano, then your Mabumadia Chua Bano de Yaman and those to say. Sane any day uncle ye, it is as a candidate. Some fifimu. Now, need the mono na wasabu bosso. The legislator insisted that the president has squandered public funds in such a way that it undermines the democratic process. Opache say yes, sir, and the yena won who suman or MPP for yeno, and need democracy pan bobra. Say Ghana for the democracy ne Juma dia. Now wait dear woman to democracy, woman to many and democracy at tune chain, and no one would do one put a yen, or penny or one young selfish interest, and the aye Juma. Now, Opache say wait any democracy. Any chakapia. Now, 84 was that to us one of the most dangerous things Nana Addo has done to our democracy is the huge dosage of money used in this election going forward that would undermine the integrity of any democrat in any democratic process. He said, 84 was that can say debut. Sika puduo. Nanado, used to year for campaign, they were hard, they were digana, bro. What you say? Hey, what you say? Nanado, digana, with digana, bonnet, papa, so to say, where dear any democracy, and Bob Bra, send a deacon boss, so not say, one bragana. Nani name mono was at to us, or say he added that sharing of money at police stations to influence voters does not guarantee democracy. Obien on Sakase, Sikapudu address a Yamanoko MPP. Chair were a year police stations, no? Send ye bay yet mem for the Duana, Obenya Momato Abana money, dear, any democracy, no? And fat crack, and a tear for, and no Nagana for you be said. Hey, yeah, papa, Mr. Aruna drew so. Then no dinner so work can some way. Na do ti when in Juma lady the cheap. A year free SHS and what they buy the modern war coronavirus by the way even a year foreign countries be developed countries be one man to me and chichi won crana chess on my stranded no do. Didn't nimu dear niches and akuma pa and supporting Ghana free water free light in your mebino. And yeah, papa, juice well one. And our big dinner was such as a castle workers in our party say a bribe on a year, a president, a year best swearing, will treat I am much, say, do not vote in the favor where dear one jack because Ghana for your new cheer, near quiet. Now, wait, dear, dear, what I can't send be my yet to send ya. Makuma and Pennes to say, I'm a local every before the fair, you know. I'm not gonna for the now, so I said, the BNS, I am passe, oh, be a Musenia. I'm a local and this is for the donor, there to drive demonstrative protest, you know. As a circle be more cotton to wait there, one face here and one trust with his and another day. What boy Juma, Nani Sue Jumano, and I diabuano, my year beer casse. deserve no nensa eba beka bi nso se before the friend be to bo na the nice bibi so enti na ye nenim se ye papa reduce so wa ba mu enti nsem a wo ke bi se asa ye fish kakra no kure bi e wo baby na be ya se ye no kure de na do so anya ade na afa tu when opportunity when so o ma enyume mu nsisa no fa no kura kujin ma democracy enye ejuma wo oman mu na tiefo Ghana dani na kire say ye will become na nya ye kan ni na so enye ade e ka ebua Ghana ade atimi say twiwe ha na Ghana man so sign na ni name no tiefo hwe say nya nsem aye papa Idris Aruna awo ye minority leader for MDC Amanyoko e wo parliament no ni nsem wo de abeto dwa den na wo e ka fam do na kire ma do so kire ma dwen na drop a comment at your comment section what am I afi subscribe me se won ye ya se na be ye don boy ye na won so won sabe kan ye interviews ni your program do na ye de beto dwa no na wetumi a kire wa afi like and share promote ye channel we na tiefo before me kan de me some ese won dwume ku a dani da mo bua so ye sema edi edwumedie ne ebrewo ebi mama Juliet Ventures oba se wo pese wo city room ye fe wo kitchen wo nkosre kete wo nkosre bibia dia for mama Juliet number ye delivery oba bua ma chese wo surrounding ewo aye enika keke afi loan master malone within 24 hours ni awon yan so government worker ewo Ghana na wo affordability loan master be bua ama when you urgent money for urgent project no mo rent no so there that from no terms and conditions so that from papetie for uniaba mercy cow na digita we so mo aha and I remember kwan na bi mo that's ne ye be san ehia makwa mo